just heard an owl. I wonder if I can pick it up. I'm meditating right now. I'm gonna do that for 30 minutes. Honestly, this kind of sounds like AI music. It is. What should we play instead? Ophelia's playlist always has really good playlists.
Catch them is my... Going outside. Train them is my cool. Wow. The weather's so nice.
I want to do my laundry while I wait. Or what? While I write. Wow, that hurt my thumb. I don't know what I'm saying. Honestly, what am I? Oh, let's brush out these curls. I think I missed a part. Oh, it's like straight. Oh my goodness. At first, I didn't think the Dyson was really worth it. I style my hair basically every day and it just gets incredibly dry. So I decided to invest in the Dyson Airwrap. At first, I didn't think it was worth it, but that's only because I just didn't know how to use it. Now that I know how to use it, my hair is not that dry and I still get to style it. In the end, I do think it's worth it. There are other alternatives, I just haven't tried them, so I just can't give a concise review of it because it is pricey and I don't want people to buy things that, you know, you could easily find somewhere else. I think it's great if you do style your hair every day. Just for me, I need to style my hair every day. It's like that, and that's actually a cinching type, but I don't feel like doing that, honestly. So I just tuck it. I'm gonna try. There's been one scent I really liked from here. Actually, there's two. There's two I really like in here. The Pomelo Oolong Chinese Calligraphy. I feel like today is more of a Pomelo Oolong day.
Hello? Oh wow, I'm really short. I just dropped off my mom now. Oh, they decorated. So cute. I wanted to see the Christmas stuff at Home Goods and TJ Maxx, so let's go. Oh, there's Miffy. I'm now on my way to Goodwill. I want to look for some sweaters, but just for a short time. I don't want to go there for too long. Look what we found.
I got mistletoe. Not that I can use it. It's so cute. I feel like it's a great decoration. When you're picking up peonies, make sure they're not too firm. Apparently the best way to take care of these, oh goodness, is put them in warm water and have them by sunlight. Oh yeah, just so you can open them up. And then after that, you can put them in cold water. Let's see how it looks like first. Oh my god. Make sure to treat yourself once in a while. My favorites, I love peonies. I don't think I've had white ones so far. I made lunch. I have, what's this called? Burger steak with mentaiko sauce. Basically just a cream sauce. And then my dad got me this yesterday and I just reheated it. It's just broccoli because I wanted something plain. Pickled cucumber and wakame. Wow.
It's pretty bright. The salted egg is so good. What?
Promising. Oh, a bit more tall. This is probably the best blueberry muffin recipe I've tried.
Hello, I hope you liked the video. We are nearing the end of the year. For these past few years, I just feel like the years have been going faster and faster. It's almost December. What in the world? Just wanted to say thank you for being here. Maybe this was around 11, but when I was really young, being a YouTuber was my dream. And then I just, I had so many channels that I started and I had fun with. And then this channel just ended up being one that really took off. I'm really thankful for our family on here. I think it started a couple years ago. I'm more of a private person, so doing everyday vlogs and stuff like that was really in showcasing my life, basically what I learned and going and all these life experiences. I think it's cool how I can tell my stories on a place that's so accessible. The only reason I've been telling these stories was just so people could learn and so you wouldn't feel alone. I don't want people to think that whatever they're going through, that they're alone. Even if it's an experience that, because we all have our own experiences, right? But I don't want you to think that you are alone despite us being all different people and being in different situations. That doesn't mean I'm gonna leave. I mean, I'm still gonna stay on here. I'm thankful that you're here. And as always, I'm wishing you the best. I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day. Bye. Click. Such a lovely hoot.
Isn't that too low? It's kind of odd. Hello? Hello? It's like it's not focusing on me. Hello? They smell so good.